Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, said that all diseases start in the gut. And centuries later, this statement is true. All the chronic diseases can be healed by healing the gut first. If you can reduce the load of pathological microbes and increase the beneficial bacteria by taking a lot of probiotic containing food, you can actually heal almost any chronic disease, or you can reduce at least the severity of them. So let's start healing the gut first by putting the right food in our body, the food that is medicine that heals the gut and its inflammation, and not the food that just is empty calorie and just takes away the hunger. But 5 minutes later, we're going to go for another empty calorie food just to get us through the day.